Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen batch display mode in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the home screen and see here number is showing on the as a batch for particular app. Okay, see here. Okay, here see here one number is showing. Okay, so message has received 10 numbers of notifications like that. Okay, so if you like to change this batch, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications and status bar here, then go to batches and just click on batch display mode and display mode. Now I have selected dot. Okay, so I have selected from number to dot and see here only dot is showing for YouTube and also Chrome and Drive. All apps have dot. Okay, so in this way you can easily change from number to dot. Suppose if you would like to only get number, just again click on batch display mode and choose number, so that you will get a number batch on notifications for the apps that have received. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen apps batch display mode in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.